Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, my dinner will be some mashed potato, some lemon pepper, lamb chops, served up with some asparagus. Stay tuned for the video. Please remember it's free to give the video a like. Thank you. So here I have some lamb chops seasoned, and I used mostly lemon pepper to season this. Here I am using a little olive oil to give this a little color. You can brown this as long as you would like. I left on each side for at least a 1.5 minute on medium heat, and here it is all done. Once done, I added rosemary on it, and I did not use any butter in this. I used some olive oil. So here I am adding some of the olive oil on this because I'll be adding it in the oven covered to cook properly or to get it tender. Once done, I added in my oven and I baked in the oven for 30 minutes. Yes, on 300 degrees. Covered with my foil, added to my oven. Here is the sauce. So I added some butter. I added a little more of the lemon pepper sauce, and you want to make sure that you taste your sauce. Some sriracha, and some lemon zest, of course, some lemon juice, because it's supposed to be lemon pepper that I added. Then once this was done in the oven, I sprinkled this on my lamb chops. Look at them, looking so delicious. Yes, lemon pepper lamb chops, lamb chopping. Okay, yes. So once done, your girl is making some mashed potato and some asparagus. You all know how to make mashed potato. I add a little chicken bouillon in my potato water and a little hint of Himalayan salt. For my asparagus, I just use a little butter, some garlic, some parsley, and I toss this. I don't like it overcooked. I like my veggies really crunchy. So this took under 10 minutes to get ready. For my mashed potato, I used a little butter, a little cream cheese, some sour cream. Yes, because that's my business. I used a little milk as the softener, and I added some dried parsley, and then I just used my masher to mash this out. You can add as much liquid as you want to get yours creamy, or whatever else you add to yours. This was a quick and easy go-to when you feel like not cooking. But listen, it was delicious. It tasted really good. You can also add cheese to yours if you choose, and even bake it. But I wanted a more creamier mashed potato than a cheesy mashed potato. Look at your girl dishing a 5-star meal. Tell me when you're done watching this video that this isn't 5-star. Guys, to like my video, look to the left of this video, the bottom left. You see a little finger or a little thumb. Just touch that to give the video a like. Just motivate me to put more videos out there. I don't feel motivated because you guys are not liking my videos. Look at 5-star dishing, plating, whatever you call it. And I drizzled a little of the lemon pepper sauce on top of this. Tell me this doesn't look bomb. It looks bomb. I felt like working today. Quick and easy, 5-star Sunday dinner. And for meal prep for my son, lamb chops, mashed potato, Of course, your girl did some chicken on the side, a little yellow rice, and a lasagna for 5 day meal preps. See how your girl dashing in even some of my meal prep videos into this. And listen, I know he enjoyed this. I do this for him every week. Veggies, lasagna, it's something that he loves. I love. We all know cheese is not good for us, but a little here and there is good. On to the next. Hey guys, please check out my motivational channel, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. Thank you.